If your MSI GE66, GP66, or GL66 series laptop is starting to sound like a jet engine, or worse, overheating, it might be time to replace the CPU and GPU cooling fans. Today, we're looking at a replacement fan set designed specifically for these models, including the GE66 10SGS, 10SF, 10SFS, GP66 10UH, 10UG, 11UG, 11UE, and GL66MS, 1541, and MS 1542 series. This particular set, branded by YEHUYGENG, aims to provide a reliable and effective cooling solution. The package includes both the CPU and GPU fans, ensuring that both critical components receive adequate cooling. These fans are designed as direct replacements, so installation should be relatively straightforward, assuming you're comfortable working with laptop hardware. The fans operate at DC 5V and 1.0A, connecting via a standard 4-pin connector. This is pretty typical for laptop cooling fans, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue if your original fans have the same specifications. The key benefit here is maintaining stable performance and preventing thermal throttling, which can significantly impact your laptop's speed and responsiveness, especially during demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. One of the most appealing aspects of this replacement set is the promise of quiet operation. The product description emphasizes low noise, which is a huge plus for anyone who values a distraction-free working or gaming environment. Overheating laptops often have fans that spin at maximum speed constantly, creating a noticeable and annoying whirring sound. A new, well-designed fan can make a world of difference. Before purchasing, it's crucial to double-check the compatibility with your specific laptop model. The product description provides a list of compatible models, but it's always a good idea to visually compare the fan code, PN, PABD08008SH, and 440N441, and the displayed picture with your existing fans. This will help ensure that you're getting the correct replacement. If you're unsure, the seller encourages you to reach out with any questions, which is always a good sign of customer support. Overall, this replacement CPU and GPU cooling fan set appears to be a solid option for anyone looking to revive their MSI GE66, GP66, or GL66 laptop. With its focus on compatibility, efficient cooling, and quiet operation, it could be a worthwhile investment to keep your laptop running smoothly and prevent overheating issues. Just remember to verify compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.